Hi friends, agreed? So you will, when next time when you go to Sahara, you will say the Sahara. When you go to Silent Valley, you will say the Silent Valley. When you go to Himalayas, you will say the Himalayas. When you go to Nilgiri Hills, you will say the Nilgiri Hills. And when you go to Silent Valley, you will say the Silent Valley. Why? Because geographical features like mountain ranges, hills, ranges of hills, valleys, deserts and forests, you use the. Okay. Now if we have other geographical features, say water bodies for example, connected with the water. What are they? Seas. Seas, oceans, water, river, seas, oceans, then we have rivers, and you have got canals. Can you name some of the canals? Ocean, rivers, oceans, seas, canals. Can you name some of these? No. Yes. Just think about seas. Very simple. You can see Arabian Sea, Black Sea, Red Sea, Caspian Sea. Isn't it? Arabian, Black Sea is here. See, Black Sea, Red Sea, Caspian Sea. Then, what other seas you have got? Baltic Sea, Baltic. Then what else? You have got a North Sea, then South China Sea, North Sea, South China. These are all names of seas. What about oceans? Very famous. Pacific, then Atlantic. Then what is the next one? Here Mediterranean Sea, Pacific, Atlantic, the Indian Ocean. So these are ocean. Rivers, Ganges, Yamuna, Satluj, Kaveri, then Satluj, Brahmaputra, and Rhine in Germany, Nile in Egypt, Thames in England. Rivers, canals. These are the famous canals. Panama Canal, famous Panama. Then you have got the Panama Canal, then Alappuzha Canal, and you have famous canal now, our famous Panama, Alappuzha, then Hoi An, Suez, and so on. Suez Canal, they have Suez. That is in Vietnam. Hoi An is in Vietnam. So what do you to remember? Mountain ranges, hills, valleys, deserts and forests. Like that. You have oceans full of, isn't it, water and turbulence and so on. No? And then you have got seas, then you have oceans, rivers. You can see rivers now. Yamuna and so on, and canals. Canals. What will you do? Again geographical features, but connected with water. Easy to remember. You have to use the. You have to use the. So if we say, we swam across the Arabian Sea. You cannot do it, but suppose you do it. Then you have to say, the Arabian Sea, the Black Sea, the Red Sea, the Caspian Sea, the Baltic, we don't say Baltic Sea, the Baltic, the North Sea, the South China Sea, the Mediterranean Sea. You don't say Mediterranean Sea, but Mediterranean. Then the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian Ocean, the Ganges, the Yamuna, the Satluj, the Kaveri, the Brahmaputra, the Rhine, the Nile, the Thames. Alright? Here also, the Panama Canal, the Arab Canal, the Hawaiian Canal, the Suez Canal. Very easy to remember this. First, you have this idea of lots of things you see now, like forests, hills, deserts, valleys, mountain ranges. All what you have to do, remember, is one point. What is that? If it is single mountain or single hill, don't use that. So here it is very simple. Every day you are seeing this. You go to seaside for holidays. You don't go to ocean side for holidays. No. But sea, ocean, you can consider both together. And then you go to river. You may be having a river nearby your house. See? We have one here, somewhere. The Periyar. See that? You have heard of that? Yes. And then you have got rivers. Let us begin with the biggest ones. That is oceans, seas, rivers, canals. Canals. Small. When compared to river, when compared to ocean, sea, and even rivers, Bharatapura, the Bharatapura is. You can't say, we are taking water from Bharatapura. Yes, sir, we are taking water from the Bharatapura. Listen. Yes, canal. Canal, the canal. The Panama Canal. The Suez Canal. The Atlantic Ocean, the Baltic, the Black Sea, the Red Sea. Listen. So that is, now it is clear, you will never forget this. So this is the third class on the small word the. To attain near native efficiency, the use of this word is very easy, provided you have this idea in your mind. Here also you have one point to remember. Sometimes what happens, this found in England, not in any other place. We don't say Varanasi on Ganges. We don't have such expressions. But what happens in England, sometimes they say Avon is a river. Avon. See? So they will say like this, Stratford upon Avon. Stratford upon Avon, the birthplace of our genius Shakespeare. So in such expressions, name of the river is here, but you don't use the. Because first of all it is clumsy now, if you say Stratford upon the Avon. Oh. After language is for what? For making things easy, communication easy. That's why these days you have got, you don't say water, but you say water. You don't say satisfaction, but you say satisfaction. Got the point? Yes. So like that. Stratford upon Avon. You don't say that. Kingston on Thames. Kingston. Kingston on Thames. You don't say Kingston on the Thames. Understand? You don't say like that. See? So, what you have to see, in case you find a combination like this, end is river, but then before that, one or two words, then what should you do is, you should not use the. That is without by telling. Or you can say like this, remember like this. When these geographical features stand alone, alone means, sometimes you may misunderstand. So that means when they are not like this in a group like this, or a cluster like this. Here actually, what is important is the place, Kingston. Where is it? That is near or on the bank of or nearby that river. Such cases, we should not use that. So if you say like this, suppose you say Stratford upon the Avon. That's wrong. Oh, without my telling you know, without my pointing this out, you can easily understand. You can look at it. The Thames, not Kingston on the Thames, but Kingston on Thames. Understand? So therefore, I think now it is clear. So you have got, so you have once again the last time I am going to speak about this. The very last weekends is use of the with geographical features. So you have got 8. 1 began with mountain ranges. Mountain ranges. Hills. What is the next one? Valleys. Valleys. Next, desert. This is about land. Land here. Isn't it? And the next is concerning water. Water. See, I did not say water, but I said water. Get me some water. Yeah. So here we have got the ocean, seas, rivers, canals. What is the point to remember here? Single hills. Single hill. Single mountain. No. No the. Here it is. And it is about a place also, no? Like the best thing to remember is Stratford upon Avon. Avon is a river, but we don't use the in this context. That's all. So by no further explanation, but that will some days create problems for me and you. We will unnecessary doubts will come up. So we will say bye. We will see again with this 3-letter word the. Till then, have a nice day.